Learn Gujarati fast. What is equals?
શું છે?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey friend, this episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to have fun while you learn? Today you will master the tiny super tool in Gujarati. What is?
શું છે?
Say it softly with curious eyebrows raised, nice and friendly. Anytime you spot a mystery object, point, tilt your head, and ask.
શું છે?
Your goal today. Your mission. Say the phrase clearly and use it in real life within 24 hours. Form and meaning.
શું
Means, what, and.
છે?
Is, together.
શું છે?
Pro tip. Do not drop the verb, saying only.
શું?
Sounds incomplete. Bonus. What is this? Is.
આ શું છે?
Your clear target. 5 confident repetitions in context. Mini dialogue. Museum. Let's eavesdrop on you at a museum. Keep your ears open. You, pointing at a fossil.
શું છે?
Single quote. Guide. Great question. It is a trilobite fossil from the Devonian period. You, I love learning. I am writing.
શું છે?
In my notebook so I remember. Guide. Perfect. Ask it anytime you see something new. Pronunciation beat. Tap your desk, 2 beats, and chant with me. Beat it like this. Shum, chhe. Shum, chhe. That is.
શું છે?
Keep your lips relaxed on shum, and let the chhe flow like gentle air. Memory tricks. Stick it in your brain with motion and a silly hook. Gesture. Point at the object, tilt your head, rotate your wrist, and say.
શું છે?
Mnemonic. Think shoe chair? Sounds like.
શું છે?
Ridiculous but unforgettable. Loci method. At your front door, imagine a flashing sign that reads.
શું છે?
Whenever you notice a new object. Rhyme. If you do not know, do not guess, just say.
શું છે?
To impress. Culture tip. Bazaar confidence. You are strolling through a Gujarati bazaar, nose full of spice and snacks. Point at a mysterious jar and politely ask the vendor.
શું છે?
You might get a smile, an explanation, and maybe a surprise sample. Locals appreciate curiosity said kindly. Quick quiz. Fast round. Answer out loud and then check yourself. Q1. How do you say, what is, in Gujarati? A.
શું છે?
Q2. Pick the odd one out. 3 are question phrases. A.
શું છે?
B.
ક્યાં છે?
C.
કોણ છે?
D.
દૂધ.
Answer. D.
દૂધ.
Milk. Q3. Say in Gujarati. What is, then, where is? A.
શું છે? ક્યાં છે?
Challenge time. Now it is your turn. Tiny mission, big win. Within the next hour, ask 3 real questions about objects around you. Point, smile, and say.
શું છે?
Try it with a friend, a market item, or even a gadget at home. Bonus round. Say, what is this?
આ શું છે?
Wrap up. You did great. Small phrase, huge power. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
શું છે?
5 times today and you will feel the confidence boost. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and drills. See you next time.